Hello. Today, we will be unboxing the Epson label printer. Let's start by opening the box and removing the contents. The first items you'll notice are the power adapter and power cord. Next, you'll find a roll of starter labels. Lift off the protective styrofoam cover, and on the side of the printer, you'll find the manual and setup CD for computer installation. Now carefully lift the printer out of the box. Unwrap all the items from their packaging. Once everything is unpacked, we can begin setting up the printer. First, lay the printer down on its face. Locate the door on the back of the printer and gently pry it open. Take your time. It may require a little force. Once open, insert the power adapter into the power port until it clicks into place. Next, connect the USB printer cable. Please note, this cable is typically provided separately from the standard packaging. If you plan to reattach the door after plugging everything in, you'll need to trim the plastic cutout section here to allow the cables to pass through. Now that the printer is plugged in, we can install the paper roll. Use the small lever on the front of the printer to release the latch. Then, pull the large lever to open the printer door. Once open, remove the blue tape holding the paper guide in place. If you're using the starter roll, you'll need to remove the guide entirely, as it's designed for smaller rolls. To remove it, twist it left or right to unlock it from the bar, then pull it back. At this point, you can also press the power button to turn on the printer. Now, load the paper roll with the labels draped over the top. Leave a few inches of paper sticking out of the front of the printer. Close the printer door, then feed the paper through the latch feeder and close the latch. If done correctly, the label should separate and pop out from the top, while the backing feeds through the bottom. Rip off the excess paper at the perforation. We have now completed the basic setup of the Epson label printer. In the next video, we will continue with the installation process.